Hi everyone, it's Ed at RU Cars. This is our 2016 Seat Leon. It's a 2 litre TDI FR. It's the 150 bhp and it is the 6-speed DSG. It's finished in Alor blue with 70,000 miles. It's got the 18-inch performance alloys all finished in grey, and it is a very nice looking car. It's got the LED headlights, the front and rear parking sensors, the 18-inch alloys, as I've just mentioned. I will get my words out. It's got 9 services with this one, but all of that info is in the advert. And as you can see, it is exceptionally clean throughout. It's got the privacy glass on the rear, got your FR badges there for you. It's got the black Seat badges, twin tip exhaust. Very straight, no dings or anything, no big scratches. All the tyres are good. A few stone chips on the bonnet, not many though. Other than that, really nice. I'll just show you inside. Really good sized boot on the Leon, very deep. They come with split folding rear seats as well. And it does have a spare wheel in there as well. I'll get the valet to finish cleaning in there. It looks like he's missed that. But yeah, spare wheel and toolkit all there. Load cover is present. Inside it's got the part leather, part cloth, the typical FR interior with the red stitching. It is very nice and it is in very good condition. It's got Isofix as well. Rear electric windows, all your door cards, your door jambs, all very clean, well cared for. Same in the front, again, part leather, leatherette, whatever you call it. There's the fabric in the middle and the red stitch, all in very nice condition. Folding mirrors, heated mirrors, electric windows, 3-spoke steering wheel which is multifunction, auto lights and wipers. Your cruise control on top there. I'll just start the car before we carry on. Let you see there's no warnings, there's nothing nasty. Got a fuel light. We can live with that, we know how to fix that. And there you go, no other warnings, and a mileage of 70,418. Multifunction steering wheel, as I mentioned, with your FR logo just there. In the centre, we've got the media navigation system. I think the media's in the office. Yeah, the media. We've got the SD card in the office. But you've got your radio with your DAB, media inputs with Bluetooth audio, Bluetooth phone, and all your other bits and bobs. There you go. Parking sensors, I believe, all come on the display. There you go, on the left, and we've also got the rear view camera. We've got dual climate control, start, stop, flick through your driving modes with that one there. Gear selectors all in good condition. In the centre there is your USB and auxiliary, and that really is it. These are a fantastic car, great colour in the Alor blue. Please do give us a call if you need to know anything else on 01509 267 111. And don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.